Hi guys, and welcome to this video where I unbox my new cloud storage system for Aspiring Clinical Psych. So as most of you all know, Aspiring Clinical Psych is a website that offers easily accessible resources and support to aspiring clinical psychologists. So as you can imagine, most of the work we do is based online, and of course Aspiring Clinical Psych is a digital product, and so it requires a lot of memory to save all the bits and bobs we need. And as you guys may be aware, I have been on a mission to get myself organized. I have taken on a number of roles and I wear a number of hats, which means I've had to really step up my organization game, and this is part of that strategy. So the cool thing about this type of memory is that it is huge. There are two different options that you can go for. You can either go for a one berth system or a two berth system, and I believe there are other like 3 or 4 berth systems, but they are way above my head. This is a two berth system. It is 8 terabytes in total, but it has two 4 terabyte memory cards or memory banks inside, and it backs everything up twice. I really don't want to lose things. I have this real fear of losing things, so I went for the one that backs things up twice, but you can go for the one that backs things up once, and of course it's a little bit cheaper. This one cost me just over £300, so shout out to everyone who's bought an aspiring clinical psych product, because I have reinvested that money back into this storage. I am so incredibly excited to have it because it means that it's going to make it so much easier for me to create content, store content, and pull content so I can upload it for later. This is because I can upload any image, video, sound, anything, document from my phone directly onto the cloud storage system. As long as the cloud storage system is attached to my wireless router, which it is now, and I'm connected to the internet, I can upload anything onto that cloud storage system, and I can also pull it from the cloud storage system too. Setting it up was super easy. All I need to do was plug it into the router and download an app, start uploading my documents, and I was away. And I cannot wait to see the difference it makes.